Are you ready to take your outdoor adventures to the next level? In this video, we're revealing the 25 must-have camping gadgets for your outdoor experience in 2025. Whether you're planning a weekend getaway, a hiking trip, or a full-blown wilderness expedition, these innovative camping tools, survival gear, and outdoor gadgets are designed to make your journey easier, safer, and way more enjoyable. From portable stoves and solar-powered lights to multifunctional tools and compact gear, these are the top-rated camping essentials every adventurer should pack. Without further ado, let's get started. Reliable ignition in any condition is essential for safe and convenient lighting. The ULOMO plasma lighter offers windproof, flameless performance with a long handle for added safety. Made from high-quality zinc alloy, it features a double safety switch, Type-C charging, overheat protection, and automatic spark shutoff, ideal for candles, barbecues, and camping. Carrying essential gear comfortably and efficiently is key for any outdoor adventure. The RAINSMORE backpack offers a 40-liter large capacity with interior compartments, a top zipper pocket, a front section, a detachable keyring, and elastic side pockets. Lightweight, waterproof, and foldable, it features gear-secure tension cords, a bottom buckle strap, and trekking pole loops. Clean drinking water is essential for health and safety during travel or outdoor adventures. Introducing the UIJA water filter, a portable electric purifier with a 5-stage RO filtration system, built-in power supply, USB Type-C reverse charging, self-cleaning function, and compact design, ideal for camping, RV trips, road travel, and daily use. Capturing lifelike memories in immersive 3D elevates how we relive special moments. The KanDao QooCam Ego VR camera records stereoscopic 3D video with cinematic stabilization. Features a magnetic 3D viewer for instant playback, supports VR headsets, includes a charging kit, and enables easy sharing via app, perfect for creators and adventurers alike. Staying cool during outdoor adventures or in compact indoor spaces is essential for comfort and rest. The Outohome air conditioner delivers 5,200 BTU fast cooling power in a streamlined 31-pound design, ideal for camping, RVs, vans, and small rooms. It's your perfect cooling companion with 4 adjustable modes, low 46 to 50 decibels of noise, and drainage-free dehumidification. Reliable energy is essential for life off the grid, on the road, or at sea. The Renogy solar panel delivers high-efficiency N-type cells with up to 25% conversion, 16-bus bar tech for partial shading, and rugged IP67 durability. It's lightweight, 12 volts and 24 volts compatible, and ideal for RVs, vans, homes, and marine use. Reliable lighting is crucial for outdoor adventures and emergencies. The ITEFDTUTNE telescopic light offers a powerful 10,000 mAh USB-C rechargeable battery, adjustable brightness and color temperature, and waterproofing. Its magnetic base and collapsible design ensure easy storage, hands-free use, and dependable illumination for camping, repairs, and home or outdoor activities. Outdoor cooking over an open flame demands a stable, portable, and versatile solution. The Adventure Seeka Campfire grill delivers with a compact folding design, durable high-quality steel, and a combo grill grate and griddle. Easy to set up in seconds, it's perfect for fire pit cooking, camping, or RV adventures. Outdoor adventures require quick, reliable shelter that stands up to the elements. The Raynesys tent sets up in just 60 seconds with its pre-assembled X-pole design, offering windproof, UV-resistant, and waterproof protection. With mesh ventilation, a removable rainfly and floor, and compact portability, it's perfect for effortless camping comfort and convenience. Staying cool and well-lit is essential during outdoor activities or power outages. The SLENPET clip-on fan offers 360-degree circulation, 4 speeds, and up to 78 hours of runtime. With an LED light, built-in hook, sturdy clip, and fast Type-C charging, it's perfect for camping, strollers, desks, and more. Convenient and durable utensils are essential for outdoor meals. The OUTXE knife fork spoon set is ultra-lightweight, made of 99.9% pure titanium and food-grade safe. It's reusable, eco-friendly, dishwasher-safe, and comes with a quick-drying carrying bag with a carabiner clip for easy organization during camping, hiking, or travel. Comfortable, supportive rest is vital during outdoor adventures. The Black Orca camping pillow features ventilated memory foam that contours the neck for ergonomic support, relieving pressure and enhancing sleep quality. Its lightweight, compact design includes a removable, double-sided cover with breathable nylon and suede. Ideal for camping, travel, and backpacking. A comfortable sleeping surface is essential for restful outdoor sleep. The ZOOBELIVES sleeping pad features extra thickness, a built-in pump for fast inflation without batteries, and a double-deck valve for easy air control. Made from durable, waterproof 75D polyester. It's perfect for camping, backpacking, travel, and even floating. Reliable lighting is vital during emergencies, camping, or outdoor adventures. Meet the Glocusent lantern, a compact USB-C rechargeable light with a built-in 5,000 mAh battery, offering 5 brightness levels, 3 color modes, SOS mode, and up to 1,200 lumens output. With waterproofing and drop protection, it's perfect for survival, hiking, or power outages. Keeping your drink secure and within reach is essential while relaxing outdoors. The Helinox cup holder accessory offers a simple, durable design that clips easily to most Helinox beach, camping, and backpacking chairs. It fits standard cans, bottles, and cups, minimizing spills and collapsing flat for compact, easy packing. Carrying essentials safely and comfortably outdoors demands a lightweight, waterproof solution. The Geckobrands Drawstring backpack offers 10-liter capacity, packable design, a hidden pocket, and roll-top closure for secure storage. It's sandproof, features an easy connect chest clip, and is ideal for beach, hiking, and light water adventures. Outdoor meals call for gear that's light, durable, and efficient. Introducing the OUTXE camping utensil, a titanium 2-in-1 fork and spoon combo, ultra lightweight at just 19 grams. Smooth edges won't scratch your mouth. It's eco-friendly, dishwasher safe, easy to clean, and perfect for hiking, backpacking, or travel. Outdoor adventures in hot weather demand a reliable way to stay cool and comfortable. The ElectricWise misting fan delivers powerful cooling with 4 misting outlets, stepless speed control, and 4 LED lights. With a 20,000 mAh battery, a 6-liter water bucket, a timer function, and a portable handle, it's perfect for camping, patios, and travel. Maintaining hygiene on the go or at home requires a gentle yet effective solution. The Dude flushable wipes offer an extra-large, unscented clean with 99% water and plant-based fibers. Infused with aloe and vitamin E, they're plastic-free, paraben-free, sewer and septic-safe. Ideal for refreshing wipes every day, anywhere, anytime. Outdoor activities demand a reliable surface for dining, cooking, or organizing gear. The KingCamp Stable Table is a durable aluminum folding table with a roll-up design, lightweight build, and carry bag for portability. Rust-free and corrosion-resistant, it's perfect for camping, picnics, barbecues, or backyard parties, indoor or outdoor, stable and easy to assemble. Precision and comfort are essential for every kitchen task, from slicing vegetables to carving meat. The iMarQ knife features a high-carbon stainless steel blade with excellent corrosion resistance, an ultra-sharp edge for effortless cutting, and an ergonomic pack-a-wood handle that ensures balance, strength, and user-friendly control during extended use. Capturing stunning aerial footage shouldn't require bulky gear or complex controls. The Specta Mini GPS drone offers 2.7K video with 3-axis gimbal stabilization, 31-minute max flight time, 10 kilometers range, quick shots, and GPS auto return. Weighing under 249 grams, it's foldable, beginner-friendly, and perfect for travel, adventure, and cinematic creativity. Staying cool and comfortable in compact spaces or on the go can be a real challenge during summer. Introducing the ZY.Hyisinn air conditioner, a 2000 BTU ultralight cooling solution with 6 wind speeds and multiple modes, including strong cooling, dehumidification, and sleep. Weighing only 11.9 pounds, it's quiet, portable, and perfect for cars, trucks, RVs, boats, and tents. Reliable power on the go is essential for outdoor adventures and emergencies. Meet the Wagnation solar panel, a 200-watt foldable charger with kickstands, quick charge 3.0 USB-A, USB-C, and MC4 outputs. Waterproof and lightweight, it fits backpacks, hangs easily, and powers phones, power banks, and stations during camping, hiking, or blackouts. Reliable lighting is crucial for safe and comfortable outdoor camping. The Conpex telescopic lights offer 10,000 lumens, illuminating 4 to 6 tents with yellow, white, and warm white modes plus SOS. Lightweight, waterproof, and remote-controlled, it's easy to carry, powered via multiple sources, and perfect for camping, RV, fishing, and more.